Is it necessary to move abroad?
That's your perspective. But I can tell you, see, when you go there, let us say, I will say example of Germany. In my class, 30 country students were there, 30 approximately, not exactly. German culture is, at 16 years of age, they are sent out of their home. Okay. And in German culture, party means they have to pay their own money, individual. In India, it is a party means only one person will effort. Since they go through a lot of life, pain in life, because they among themselves, they come out of the house, they live for them. Because for us, everything is given by parents. For them, it is like self-earning and living. And you inspire from that. Many things are there. Self-control is learned. And you need to know why the world is being giving a ranking for the best for this university. You need to experience it. Can you get it in India as of now?
I have
Yeah, you can't get them because you need to have an exposure to explore it.
This is not a question I want to ask you. So,
Yeah.
like you already studied German, isn't?
Yeah.
And can you make any difference regarding German education system and our Indian education system?
Yeah.
Because both are different.
Completely different. That's what my new startup is. I'm going to launch next year. That is my lever arm. To give the world's best education for all, planning to launch that startup. Like what I have learned, I wanted to make affordable, accessible to everyone in the world. I wanted to start in India. So I wanted to start in Telugu first. So that is my one of the thing, like one by one we can execute. So what I learned, I wanted to tell the world and I wanted to make it affordable and accessible.
I mean, difference that what
Difference like a lot. You see, time management, individualism, entrepreneurship, world's best professors has taught, and a place where different cultures, ethnicity come together to make a revolutionary ideas, student clubs, and one best thing I can say, where at DRESDEN, one of the biggest libraries there, you need to experience such things.